Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this OPPO Reno 7 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 3 apps that you can get on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app that I would highly recommend on getting is called Unseen. This application allows you to link some of the messenger apps that are out there to it and read all the messages that you are getting in those messengers apps without the sender of these messages seeing the fact that the messages are read. So let's go ahead and launch this app here. Click on next. We'll get some introduction when the app will explain to us some of the basic features that it has and what this app is designed for in the first place. Next, click on next again. Here we can choose what apps you would like to link to the Unseen application. I'll just stick with the default set of chat apps. And lastly, it requires us to give it the notification authorization. So here just click on allow notification access, allow, and you can get back and start using this app. As for the interface, we have the few tabs over here. So there is the first tab, which will contain all the messages from all the chat apps that you have linked to the Unseen. And next we'll have the tabs with the separate messages from separate messengers, basically. So the Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. There are some settings that you can configure, that you can alter. So we highly recommend that you download this app and start using it. Next we have the PixArt application, which is a picture editing app that allow you to retouch, edit, and whatnot your pictures, photos, or any image that you can download to your smartphone. So let's go ahead and open PixArt. Here, for example, I'll just sign in with the Google Play. The apps will ask if we want to upgrade it to the premium version. You just skip it. It is not required to get the premium version of this app in order to use it. The free version of this application is good enough. In order to show you an example, I'll just make the screenshot. Alright. So now I guess we can go ahead and open the screenshot at the PixArt. Press on add, here choose it, skip the premium version preview, skip it once again. And here we have a handful of functions, a handful of tools and features that we can use. The features that have this crown on top of them, that means that those features are only available at the premium version. But I mean, even at the free version of this app, there are a notorious amount of functions and tools that you can use. For example, there is the set of tools. You can see that you can crop your image, enhance it somehow, curve it, change the perspective, resize, and whatnot. Some of the effects that you can apply to your image, some of the preset effects, and as you can see, these effects can be regulated as well. You can regulate their parameters, their values. I'll just get back to the standard version of it. Next we can add some stickers, and there is the very vast gallery of them that you can even find something yourself by typing in what sticker you're looking for exactly. We can cut out something, some objects, lay the mask on them and just cut them out basically. And there are also a handful of other very useful functions. So we highly recommend that you go ahead and download this app yourself and play around, see what tools it has and what tools it has to offer. So that was it for the PixArt application. We are moving on to the next application that is called WTMP, and this abbreviation stands for Who Touched My Phone. It's basically an application that will imperceptibly take a photo once somebody is trying to unlock your phone. So let me just go ahead and show you. Here we are greeted with introduction and instructions and like some brief summary of what this app has to offer. We just click on next, enable it. In part of enabling it will require us to give it the permit to our selfie camera. Just find this app at this list, change from deny to allow, permit usage access. And as you can see, since the power button on this app turned green and we have these two lines, that means that the app is active. So let me show you how this app works. I'll just go ahead and block the phone, unlock it. And as you will see, there is this entry at the list of entries that we can see that it took like the selfie camera photo once we were unblocking the phone, and it says that this photo has been taken while the device were unlocked. So, for example, if you have any kind of security like password, pattern, fingerprint, or face scan, and somebody is trying to gain an unauthorized access to your smartphone, it will take a photo of the criminal, so-called criminal, and you will, by entering this app, you will see who exactly and particularly was trying to access your smartphone and didn't succeed, or did succeed. Alright, so that was it, not only for the Who Touched My Phone application, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please leave your like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.